Hi, I'm Jordan. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace your water inlet on your washer model. The reason you might need to change this part is if your water inlet is broken, which is causing it not to fill properly. For this repair, you'll need a putty knife, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Before working on any appliance, be sure to disconnect it from its power source. Just turn off your water, then just disconnect the hoses using your hands. So this is our washer model. The first thing we're going to do is use our putty knife and open the tabs on our washer door. Lift the panel holding the 2 tabs at the bottom. With your 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to remove the screws that are holding the hinges. And then we're going to remove the 2 screws that are holding in the back panel. After you remove those 2 screws, we're going to lift up on the panel and unplug everything else. When removing these wires, keep in mind that you place the right cord into the right unit. And this last part is this hose. It should just come right out. And remove your back panel. So after you've taken off the backsplash with your needle nose pliers, we're going to tighten down on the clamp, then just pull it out, and then just pull the inlet right out. So lift up on the top panel. With your pair of needle nose pliers, we're just going to push in on the tab. And then to disconnect the door switch, we're just going to squeeze the tab in order to remove it. Once you've done that, pull it through. Remove your top panel. Then we're going to pull the tub forward. And with your 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to remove the 2 screws located underneath. And then just pull your inlet right out. Next, grab your new OEM replacement inlet. If you don't have one of these inlets already, you can find them on our online store. And just like before, we're going to reverse it. We're going to place back our new inlet, line up with the screw tops. And you can also hand tighten the screws just to make the process easier. With our 1/4-inch nut driver, we're just going to tighten the screws. And then we're going to place back our hose. With your needle nose pliers, we're just going to tighten on the clamp. Then we're going to place our top panel back onto our unit. Then we're just going to open our door. Then we're going to take our door switch, place it inside, and take it out. Flip it around, place it inside until you hear a click. Then we're going to replace back our screws onto the hinge. Then you're going to take your front panel and line up the tabs to the opening on the bottom. Make sure both sides are locked in. Then bring your backsplash back in. Then we're going to take our tube, place it back inside. Then we're going to place back our wires that we took out previously. Then we're going to place it back on top with the tabs, slide them back down. Then we're going to place our screws we took off previously on the back cover. And once you replace your screws, your repair is complete. And then we're just going to replace our hoses back in on the unit. Turn your water back onto your machine. Finally, reconnect your appliance to its power source. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us to create these free videos for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, and share. And if you really like our video, please subscribe down below.